This is Module 5, Lesson 15 homework, Side 2. Number 2. Henry has 5 dimes. Ben has 9 dimes. Tina has 2 dimes. Letter A. Write the value of each person's money as a fraction of a dollar. Well, I know that it takes 10 dimes, which is 10 cents, to equal $1. So if Henry has 5 dimes, then he needs 5 more to equal $1, meaning that he is 5/10 of a way to the dollar. Ben has 9 dimes, so he is 9/10 of the way to $1. Tina has 2 dimes, so she is 2/10 of the way to $1. Letter B. Estimate to place each fraction on the number line. Each of these fractions that I've written in Part A have a denominator of 10. So that tells me that I need to partition my number line into 10 equal parts. So to start, I'm going to carefully partition into fifths by drawing 4 lines. Then I'm going to partition each of those parts in half to give me my tenths. $0 is another way of saying 0/10. And $1 is another way of saying 10/10. If I label Henry, which is 5/10, I count over 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, 4/10, 5/10. This is 5/10, and that is Henry. On your own, label Ben and Tina's money on the number line, and also put a letter to represent each of the people that you have written down. Number 3, draw a number line. Use a fraction strip to locate 0 and 1. Fold the strip to make 8 equal parts. A. Use the strip to measure and label your number line with eighths. So you can draw a number line on your paper and mark the endpoints with 0 and 1. You need to partition your number line into eighths. You also need to label all of your fractions, including 0/8 and 8/8. Go ahead and partition your number line from 0/8 to 8/8, labeling every fraction. Then on Part B, count up your number line and touch each number with your finger as you count.